Okay, you guys ready to do another Christmas video? It's called Cream Cheese Mince. And I'm trying to turn a recipe that has tons of sugar in it to a recipe that has no sugar in it that's more keto friendly. So come on close, I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so we're going to be using a lot of powdered sugar. So what I did was I went out and I bought Swerve, which is a replacement for powdered sugar. It's a confectionery sweetener. So it has the consistency of powdered sugar, but it's not real sugar. So anyway, we're going to try to do this recipe with this. I have no idea if it'll turn out like crap or not. But we're going to do cream cheese, got some peppermint, got some sprinkles, got some sugar substitute, and I'm going to pour a little bit of milk, about a teaspoon or a tablespoon in there. And that's about it. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is, see the cream cheese in there? We're going to put the peppermint extract in there on the cream cheese. And we're going to slowly mix it. All right, so we got it all mixed in there. It's all flavored. We're going to take the 2 cups of sugar. The powdered sugar. And a little bit of milk. And get that all creamy, but don't overmix this. Then you got 1 cup of sugar. You're going to throw in another cup of powdered sugar. Throw it in there. I'll put some sprinkles in too. There we go. And we'll mix that gently. All right, you're going to see this happen. See this? It's a good consistency, but you got to get it off the spinners. So take them apart like that and then just push all the dough out. All right, if you look inside the bowl, it's kind of a doughy consistency. As you can see, it's like in chunks, but it's kind of wet and moist. So what you want to do is get your first get a glove. You can use your hand if you don't want to use a glove, that's fine. I just feel like a glove because I'm going to be kneading this with the last cup of sugar. So you take the last cup of sugar, powdered sugar, you pour it in. Let's see. And then you don't use the mixer on this. You're going to basically gently knead this together, okay? You can see it's absorbing it. See? Still doughy. Next thing you want to do is take a little bit of powdered sugar in a bowl. Add sprinkles to it. Mix it up. Then take a small piece of dough. You're going to roll it. You're going to roll it into a bite-sized piece like that. Then you're going to put it in here. You're going to set it on a cookie sheet and then go for another piece of dough. All right, as you can see here, I have rolled them in the sugar and the sprinkles. They got sprinkles inside the dough too. They're peppermint flavored. We're going to pop them right now in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and then bring them right out. And I'll meet you back out here. Now that the cheese is somewhat solidified a little bit, that's in these treats, you can sit here and press them down with a fork and shape them. That's perfect right there, that one. And just use the fork on each one of them. These look great. Okay, so these will stay in the fridge till I'm ready to serve them. I'll put them on a flat plate. But I'm just gonna try one right now. Let you know how they are. See if they're a success or not. They look good, but you never know. They probably may taste bad with the Swerve and not real powdered sugar. So let's try it out. Let's try this little one over here. Oh my! All right, these are really good. These are really good, even with the sugar substitute. So if you want the real sugar, go ahead. Use the same recipe, real sugar. If you want keto, go ahead and use Swerve. But these are really good. These are cream cheese mints. And be sure to use peppermint. Really, they're cream cheese peppermints. That's what we're going to call them. They came out great.